Hey, honeys, my sweet sugar dumpling. Tap in. On this Wholeness Wednesday, we're going to talk about building up each other in your relationship with your life force energy. You see, when you find the right partner, not just someone who excites your body, but someone who respects your energy, your emotions, and your sacred purpose, everything changes. But those changes have to first happen within you in your single life. You have to know how to cultivate your own energy first. Your true divine counterpart is going to come with peace. Whenever you're in their presence, you're going to be feeling a sense of peace, no chaos. You'll have a 5-dimensional experience with your divine counterpart, not a 3-dimensional one. You're going to be able to pour your love without fear because they are able to pour their love not only in themselves but into you without fear. The person that brings that to you should get the most time. All right? Peace and love. So let's tap into some Taoist wisdom. See, this is why I love the practice, because it's not just about physical connection. These practices teach you that it's about learning how to use your own life force energy together. But first, with your solo practice, and you cultivate that Ten of Pentacles, Ten of Cups energy in a way that's fruitful, healing, and deeply regenerative, you can't go wrong. See, this energy is known as Jing, and it is also known as your sexual essence. And when two aligned beings come together with intention, they can build each other up and not drain each other dry. So this sexual essence is stored in the kidneys in men and flows into your bone marrow. And the kidneys also store 25% of your primordial life force energy. And this energy is going to be strengthening your immune system, balancing hormones, and supporting long life. And when it's overused through stress, chaotic sex, and emotional disconnection, the body becomes depleted. And this is what we don't want. So you're going to become depleted first in your energy field, and then it's going to seep into your physical body. But when you cultivate it through breath work, sacred touch, eye gazing, and movement, it becomes a fountain of power, not just for pleasure, but for purpose. So practices like bone breathing, Taoist meditations, and reflexology help recirculate this sacred energy through your spine, joints, and marrow, keeping you youthful, magnetic, and grounded from the inside out. So you see, your pleasure is not separate from your healing. It is your temple, your immortal temple, your nourishment, your sacred medicine. So learn how to use it wisely, and you will age gracefully.